Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I have work this morning and I just decided that maybe I should film like my morning routine when I have work. So that's what we're about to do. I'm wearing a sweater because every time I wake up it's mad cold in here because I be having the windows open and I shouldn't, but I don't like to sleep and be sweating. So yeah, I'm wearing a sweater because it's freezing. But I'm about to, first of all, I need to hurry up. Second of all, I'm gonna go get dressed and come back and then show you my outfit and then do all of this. Okay, BRB. So this is my outfit when I'm going to work. I'm wearing this because obviously it's October and on Wednesdays you can wear pink. So I'm gonna do something with this bandana in my hair. Maybe I'll like, you know, make it cute. But obviously I'm not gonna go to work like this. I just wanted to show you guys my full outfit and I got my white socks. But I'm gonna put on some actual clothes over this and then come back and do my hair, okay? Alright, I'm back. Yeah, you can see my outfit under this, but whatever. I'm wearing, so what I'm wearing, I've been wearing gray sweats like every single day. I have a lot. Don't judge me. It's cold outside. Put my jacket on, but let me get my hair done. I'm actually gonna change this angle. I'm sorry. Alright, we're back. Do y'all see that? I always wear a side part. I don't like middle parts because my forehead is big and I don't got time. So side part, I could just hide it. Hide my forehead. And I think it's cuter anyway, so. Okay. Here is the brush. I'm gonna do my edges. I keep checking to make sure this thing is still recording because yesterday it was playing with me and it kept cutting off, getting me tight while I was trying to do a video. Alright, this is what we're gonna do for now. Or this is what we're gonna do. It is raining today. They better have the patio closed because I don't got time for my hair to be messing up. I don't got time. Okay. See if I can do something with this. I know some people be going like blocking my whole head. Like, no. We'll do. My dog is just standing by the door because she knows I'm leaving. Let's talk about how as soon as I finished putting my Blistex on and getting ready, they called me and told me I don't have to come in because it was raining and it was going to be slow. So I just did all of this for a video, basically. You see, I still got on my little eyeshadow and whatnot, but I guess she's like, where you going without me? No. I'm gonna do what I did the last Wednesday I worked. I had braids, first of all, and I tied it this way. And it was kind of cute with the braids, but the braids was like big and bulky. So now I feel like my hair is straight. It's gonna look better. And did I just do my edges for no reason? Okay, we're gonna do this. Obviously not the bunny ears, but my hair like, all right. We'll do this, but I'm gonna tuck this. All right. It's cute. I don't know. I should have put more hair in the back. I'm gonna end up fixing this, but I gotta go. Okay, so I need to brush my teeth. I'm gonna speed this up because y'all need to really see the whole process of me brushing my teeth, right? All right, now that I'm done brushing my teeth, I'm actually gonna moisturize my face. I use this. It's just an oil. So I'm gonna put some drops. Oh my gosh. I should have did this before my hair was thick, but I heard when moisturizing, I don't know if it's only with oil, but you're supposed to always go up. I think it's just with your face in general. So we're going up, and I've been doing that for like the past week. Make sure hair is moisturized because I'll be dry. This is what I do with my eyebrows because can you believe I never got my eyebrows done? I'm scared. I don't want to go to the wrong person and they really fuck up my eyebrow, but I don't think they look that bad, and people tell me they don't look bad. So, all right, let's put that back. I'm gonna put on some. I don't know how to do makeup, but I have these like eyeshadow palettes as a gift. I have two of them. This is one. It's the only one I've been using. Can't get it open. And we're gonna put some on because, you know, we're supposed to wear makeup, but they know I don't know how to do makeup, so I don't wear makeup. But I try to do, you know, mascara, eyeliner, sometimes eyeshadow I do it. And I don't really know how to even do eyeshadow. I just put it under my crease and call it a day. And I be getting compliments, and I be like, thank you. Did it myself. Took 2 minutes. Oh, I chose this shade because it was like more on the, okay. It looked pink off the camera. Pink glittery. But on my face, it just looks gold. All right. It's called Nude Model. Then we're gonna do some eyeliner. Wipe this down. Eyeliner. Oh wow, this thing is all on my face. Oh well. I do my waterline all the time. And then mascara. And I have a finishing touch. I'll show you guys after this. Always need it. Comment below if you know what it is. How does this look? Finishing touch. It's double sticks. You always have to put on double sticks. I be wanting to put on like lipstick and lip gloss, but we have to wear a mask. These masks are annoying. So it's like, why am I wasting my lipstick? Y'all see how that video just cut off like that? That's when I got the phone call that was like, oh, you can stay home if you want. So when I get to work, first of all, y'all know I wear glasses. So when I get to work, I usually decide like, is it worth it to waste my contacts? So I bring my contacts just in case I want to put them on, but 9 times out of 10, I always leave my glasses on because I hate putting on contacts. But it actually looks better with me not having glasses on when I'm wearing this whole thing, so I just might end up putting my contacts on. And I know y'all are wondering, like, it's freaking end of October. I know it's cold. We got these little cute jackets. They're mad small and they only zip up to right here. And it looks tacky with the damn pink. But if I'm cold, I'm cold. And my only long sleeve shirt that I have is in the laundry, so, and it's not pink, so we're gonna suffer. So guys, I'm about to feed my dog and finish getting her set up before I leave the house. If y'all want to see more of these videos, comment down below. But if you like this one, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.